'Twas the night before Christmas, and resting his head was little old Justis, nestled in bed. With incredulous force, he ripped off his sheets. Realizing the date, he jumped to his feet. "Hooray!" he shouted, "Ha ha, tee-hee! There must be some fresh presents under the tree." He cartwheeled and flipped, but nearing the tree, he stumbled and tripped. But the velocity he traveled, multiplied by his mass, gave the momentum needed to get to the tree fast. "Oh, how exciting!" he shouted with glee. "Look how many presents are waiting for me." But what he had opened and what he'd collected was certainly not what he had expected. When he reached in the box and pulled out his hand, instead of a Mavic, 'twas naught but sand. "Let's try this one, it could be my slippers." Yet to his surprise was a new pair of flippers. "This one," he exclaimed, "must be my dumbbells." This one, however, was loaded with seashells. How puzzled he was receiving these things. I don't recall asking Santa for water wings. Perplexed, for these gifts had no rhyme or reason, they didn't seem appropriate for such a cold season. With confusion and sadness, he sat back in his chair as a new wave of slumber crept through the air. And whilst his eyelids did pull ever more closed, from the depths of the darkness a new light arose. He was not home alone, and his wishes came true. He was on a tropical beach, and his friends were there too.
Rise and shine, buddy.
Oh, what
Time to open presents. And my first gift to you, this cocktail.
Oh man, thank you very much.
From all of us here at High on Life, we hope you all had a happy holidays. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know when we post a new video. We've got other videos right there, and I'm out.